Virtual collaboration is essential in order to participate in our current digital age. Teachers must communicate virtually in order to effectively plan instruction and enhance teaching practices. A recent study found that educators recognize virtual collaboration just as valuable a tool for enabling professional learning communities than face to face collaborations, while still offering similarities to improve teacher practice. Google Classroom is a tool educators can use that is free of cost and has gained popularity within a short span of time. Google Classroom allows teachers to communicate with students and share resources virtually. It's also a great way for staff within a school to collaborate on school-related tasks. Today I'm going to show you how to create and use a Google Classroom in order to collaborate with your grade level team members. The first step is to create a class. Team leaders should create a class for their teammates to join, since team leaders will do most of the planning and creating for their team. Teachers can create a Google Classroom for each class they teach. From the Google Classroom homepage, you will need to click on the plus sign shown in the upper right-hand corner. Then click Create Class. Next, name your class. You can also include the class section, subject, and room. Click Create when finished. After creating your class, you'll be brought to the main page of your Google Classroom, which will show the stream. Your teammates or students will join the classroom using the class code shown under the classroom title. From the main page in Google Classroom, they will need to click on the plus icon we used earlier, and from the drop-down menu, they'll click Join Class and then enter the code. You can change the theme by clicking Select Theme or Upload Photo. To share something, click on Share Something with your class. I use this tool most often. This will generate a post on your stream. You can use this to send a reminder about an upcoming meeting or event to your teammates. You can also click on the paperclip with Add next to it in the bottom left to add an attachment. This is a great way for teammates to share classroom resources and lesson plans with each other, or for teachers to share educational videos, games, and sites and more with students. When clicking Add, you will then be able to select from the options Add from Google Drive, Link, File, or YouTube. Click on the All Students drop-down menu to select who you want to view your post. I use this to assign certain tasks to certain people. If you want to create a post to use later, click on the arrow beside Post. From the drop-down menu, you can click Schedule or Save Draft. After you've published the post by clicking the blue Post button, you'll see 3 vertical dots to the right of the post that allow you to edit the post or move it to the top. Once multiple posts have been shared, you can rearrange them if you choose to. You may want to keep the most important or most recent post at the top of your stream. You can also delete posts that you no longer want on your stream. Under a post, you can click Add Class Comment. You and your teammates can use this feature to further communicate. When using Google Classroom with your students, students will be able to add a class comment too, unless you choose to disable that feature on a post.